All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make a tutorial video of how to turn the gas on and off for the fireplace here. First off, one of these switches is the outside. I believe it's that bottom switch. I can't remember. And I think the top one is the fireplace switch. So the top switch will turn the main gas line on. But we don't need that right now. We're gonna light the pilot light. So first off, come down here, pull this down. This is your control box that automatically turns on the fan blower, which will blow out of up here. And that fan blower will turn on automatically when the temperature reaches a certain set point, but only if this is plugged in. So reach down there and you can see that's not plugged in and there's an outlet there. Plug that in. That simply, again, controls the blower. All right, to turn on the pilot light, first turn on the gas. This red handle here, when it's perpendicular to the pipe, it's off. You're gonna rotate it to turn it parallel to the pipe. The gas is now on. Next, you need to turn the pilot light on. So it's currently set to off. You can see off is lined up with that silver arrow. So you need to rotate it to pilot. So to do that, you push in and then rotate to pilot and it will pop out a little bit. Now it sticks and doesn't rotate until you push it in. All right, once it's on pilot, you then have to hold it down. So press in, and then while pressing in, you have to push the igniter button and it will light the pilot light right up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So watch this. So I push this in, push the igniter. Listen, that's the igniter going off. And there it is. I'm gonna turn it off. So I push in, watch up there. I'm gonna press the igniter while pushing in. It sparks and lights. That's the pilot light. If I let go here, like if I let go of pushing in there, it goes out. Oh, actually no, it stayed lit. Okay, so keep it pushed in for a handful of seconds until it stays lit. Once it stays lit, rotate this from pilot to on. But to do that, you gotta push in. It's stuck there, so push in to unlock it, rotate to on. Now we're clicked in the on position. And the pilot light is permanently on. And that's it. So to turn the fireplace on, then you're gonna turn the fireplace switch up there. This rotating thing here will adjust. You can see the arrows at the bottom. And this is your fire intensity setting when the fire is on. So you can rotate it to less fire or more fire. It's about in the middle right now. All right, let me show you the switch. So if I press the switch on the top, I think it is. I push the top switch and let's watch the fire. It should take, there it is. Takes about 5 seconds or so. Fire comes on. And again, this is your intensity setting. You can rotate this to change the intensity of the flame. Now, if this were plugged in and on, in about 30 minutes, the blower would automatically turn on. There's a temperature sensor up there. The temperature sensor needs to stay exactly where it is for this blower system to work properly automatically. So you just plug that in, 30 minutes, the blower turns on, and then when you turn the fire off with the switch up there, the top switch, the blower would automatically turn off maybe 30 to 45 minutes later once the fire cools down. Lastly, let's turn off the gas. So first, turn off the switch, flame goes out, pilot light is still burning. You can see it burning down there. And let's turn it off. So to turn it off, you're first gonna turn this to the off position. So push in, rotate, push in, rotate. Now it's in the off position and the pilot light is out. But don't stop there, turn off the gas. Rotate this handle to the, whatever you call it, the perpendicular position to the pipe. Now the gas is off, check everything, gas is off, pilot light is off, the main gas line is off, this thingy is off, the pilot light is off, and then you can go ahead and unplug this thing. So back there, unplug it, close this up, and you're ready to go. I recommend never, ever, ever leaving the pilot on in the summer because it actually creates enough heat that this glass will be permanently hot. And in the middle of the summer, you will be heating your house when it's really hot outside and your AC is running, and that's a bad idea. So always turn off the gas to the fireplace in the warm months and turn it on in the cold months. And this will, even with just the pilot light running, you'll feel a little bit of heat, and with the fireplace going, you can heat the entire bottom floor here. So enjoy.